Hey friends, welcome to Motivational Minute here on the Writer's Atelier channel where I, Paige, am going to give us all a pep talk in a 60-second video. So today I didn't wake up feeling incredibly motivated or motivational, but even though that doesn't come easily to all of us every single day, I'm still gonna sit down at my computer and work on my story. And I want to encourage you all to do the same. Sometimes we wake up in bad moods. Sometimes we wake up really tired. We don't feel inspired. We're just feeling meh. And even if you're currently feeling meh, you can still sit down and write. And you never know, it might even help you feel better. And even if it doesn't, some days are easier than others to work on your story. But you can still sit down, show up, and see what your characters are gonna get into today. Subscribe for more motivation and inspiration. Check out all the links below, and I will see you next time. Bye everyone!